लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज हमारे जिंदगी के काफी सारे इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस में से एक सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन। हमें कौन सी लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी लेनी चाहिए, उसका क्या अमाउंट होना चाहिए, क्या पीरियड होना चाहिए और किससे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी लेनी चाहिए। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एवरीथिंग अराउंड द लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी इन दिस वीडियो टुडे। सो इस वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहिए क्योंकि we are also going to discuss what are usual mistakes people commit and how you can avoid those mistakes so that in the event of an untimely claim of the policy, your family members are not at inconvenience. So let's begin. The first point, who should take the life insurance policy? Answer, the earning member of your family. Let's understand the purpose of the life insurance very clearly. The purpose is to ensure financial stability of your family members in your absence. In the event of an untimely death, the family members should not be forced to downgrade their lifestyle. That is the objective, and therefore it is only the earning members who should have adequate insurance in the event of his death. The family members are not inconvenienced on financial side. मेरे पास एक क्लाइंट आया था अपने टैक्स फाइलिंग के टाइम पर एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम, why did you take insurance of your wife? She is not a earning member, right? और उन्होंने बताया कि नहीं सर, वो इंश्योरेंस एजेंट आया था, उन्होंने बताया कि आपके तो काफी सारा इंश्योरेंस है, भाभी जी का इंश्योरेंस नहीं है। मैंने मेरी वाइफ का भी इंश्योरेंस ले लिया। फ्रेंड्स, this is sheer ignorance. This completely defeats the very purpose of the life insurance. In the event of an untimely death of a non-working member, the family is not going to suffer financially at all, and therefore there is no need to take insurance of such person who is not earning. So make sure that you are not taking insurance of a non-working person in your family, but at the same time you are taking enough care and enough insurance of the working member of the family. Second point, how should we select the policy? There are various policies like endowment policy, term insurance, buyback policies. There are unit linked insurance policies. Friends, let's understand out of all these policies, let's understand the purpose of insurance. The objective of insurance is to cover the risk of your life. In the event of an untimely death, your family members get policy amount so that they have enough financial stability. The objective of insurance is not to earn money. It is not an investment decision. It is just to cover the risk of life. Problem तब होता है जब हम ये दोनों चीज को हम कंबाइन कर लेते हैं। हम देखते हैं कि ये इतना प्रीमियम दिया तो हमें 25 साल के बाद, 20 साल के बाद कितना पैसा रिटर्न मिलेगा। We always calculate in terms of return on investment. But here I would encourage you to think differently. Insurance policy is not an investment decision. For investment decisions, you think separately. When you invest in stocks or mutual funds or gold or properties, you think about return on investment. But as far as the insurance policy is concerned, just focus on covering the risk of your life. क्योंकि जब आप दोनों को कंबाइन करते हैं तो आपका जो कवरेज है वो कम हो जाता है, क्योंकि a part of that amount will go towards investing in some instrument. So either your life insurance coverage will reduce or your premium will go up. So let's separate both these decisions. When we take insurance policy, just think about the coverage of risk. And therefore, in my opinion, the best policy has to be term insurance. For a fixed term, you keep paying the premium and don't expect anything to come back to you. It is just a premium you are paying to cover the risk of your life. And in term insurance, at a much lower premium, you will be able to cover a much higher amount of risk of your life. So term insurance, according to me, is the insurance policy you should opt for. The third important point is what should be the amount of the policy. Now this depends on various factors like आपकी इनकम कितनी है, आपके एक्सपेंसेस कितने हैं, आपकी फाइनेंशियल कमिटमेंट कितनी है, दैट मीन्स आपने बोरोइंग या तो लोन्स कितनी लेके रखी है. When you consider all these aspects comprehensively, you can arrive at the amount of the policy. Now, just to give you an indication, you can consider at least 10 times of your annual income plus your borrowings. This can be your policy amount. Or consider as 15 times of your annual expenses plus your borrowings. When you come to these numbers, it gives you an indication of what should you look at as the amount of your policy. Friends, it's important for you to ensure that you are not underinsured so that in future your family members are not financially inconvenienced. At the same time, you are also supposed to ensure that you are not overinsured so that you are unnecessarily paying higher amount of premium. It's important to balance considering these numbers as just an indications of how you can go about selecting the amount of the policy. And the fourth point is about the tenure of premium payments. Friends, it's again in this aspect you have to consider various aspects कि आपके चिल्ड्रन के एजुकेशन हो गई है, आपके चिल्ड्रन के मैरिज हो गए हैं, whether you have been able to repay all your borrowings, what are the kind of investment, the liquid investments you have to ensure that your other financial obligations are met, what is the time till when you are going to be earning member of your family. So got to consider all of this and make sure that you keep paying the premium till you have a good financial earning capacity and all your other financial obligations are met and your risk of the life is covered accordingly. So another important aspect is your ability to keep paying the premium of the insurance policy. So consider these aspects while you decide the tenure of your policy. Now let's also discuss what mistakes usually people commit while taking their policy and which are the kind of mistakes you should avoid at all cost. Make sure that you are disclosing all your addictions like drinking alcohol, smoking, etc. while you are taking out your policy. Ensure all transparency like disclosing your major illness in the past. Friends, get your medical examination done properly. In absence of which, you might somehow take your policy and start paying the premium. But in the event of a claim, you might get objection from the insurance company. And this is the time your family members are going to suffer. This is the time when if the transparency does not exist and if there are objections which are likely to come, then that is a big loss to your family member and the entire purpose of taking the insurance policy gets defeated. So it's very important for you to ensure transparency of and disclosing all the required facts while you are taking out the policy. Also, it is important for you not to make cash payment for the premiums. Make sure that you are making check payments or the bank transfer for your premium to be able to get deduction under section 80C of the Income Tax Act. So friends, consider these aspects, all these aspects and make sure that you are fully transparent when you are taking your policy. I hope you found this information useful. If you have, like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and network who might also find this useful to take decision about their life insurance policy. Thank you.